Hey there, new friends. Welcome back to my Old Home Upgrade series. If you've ever wanted your home to feel luxe without a designer budget, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 4 old school details that used to serve a purpose, but now, they're all about giving your home that expensive glow up. Tip 1, trim, molding, and baseboards. Let's start with trim, molding, and yes, even baseboards. Back in the day, wide wood trim wasn't some fancy upgrade. It was standard. Baseboards and casings actually protected the edges of walls, doors, and floors from wear and tear. Fast forward to today, and most of us are stuck with those skinny little builder trims that do nothing for style. The glow-up move? Upgrade to chunkier profiles or layer moldings and baseboards together for instant richness. MDF, or even foam, makes it affordable, and if you want a little drama, add corner blocks or rosettes. Think of trim and baseboards as the eyeliner and mascara for your walls. Once you add them, everything looks sharper and more polished. Tip 2, ceiling medallions. Now ceiling medallions. These came from the Victorian era when people lit their homes with candles and oil lamps. The medallion actually caught soot and stains, so your ceiling didn't look grimy. Today, thankfully, we've got electricity. So now they're just about style. Swap in a sleek modern design or go bold with oversized ones. Lightweight polyurethane makes them easy and affordable to install, and if you want extra glam, add a little gold leaf or a dramatic paint finish. It turns your light fixture into a crown jewel instead of just, well, a light bulb. Tip 3, door casings. Next up, door casings, the frame around your door. Originally, these weren't just decoration. They covered gaps where walls met door frames in old plaster houses. Over time, we got lazy and ended up with flat, skinny trims that make doors look unremarkable. Upgrading to chunkier casings or adding a header piece above instantly makes a doorway feel taller and more grand. Pair that with a paneled or French door, and suddenly every entrance feels like you're walking into a boutique hotel instead of your hallway. Tip 4, wall paneling or wainscoting. And finally, wall paneling, also known as wainscoting or picture rail. This used to be the protective gear for your walls, keeping chairs and scuffs from destroying plaster. Today, it's purely for the drama. You'll hear it called decorative wall molding now, and it's all about depth and texture. Go for board and batten, beadboard, or paneled trim, then finish the top with paint or wallpaper. And if you want real impact, take it higher up the wall than usual, because nothing says old home luxury like extra wood on the walls. So, there you have it. 4 old home details with historic roots that still make your space look expensive today. Small upgrades, big glow-ups. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out episodes 1 and 2 if you missed them. Next week, we're tackling floor, doors, and windows. So stay tuned for even more ways to give your old home that luxe look for less.